Hello everyone. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what was in the packets that you guys got. Hopefully yesterday, and then some of you picking up today. So the first one I just took pictures is this. It's a big yellow piece of paper, and this is for APE. And the point is for your child to stand on it during APE and just stay in that rectangle. And this is to help teach them personal space and how to be safe and things like that. And this will work really well once we eventually do go back to work. The next thing that's in there are some pipe cleaners and some beads. And so this is just for activities for future. We're going to be using some beads. We're going to be using some pipe cleaners to string things or to put them on paper, to copy a picture and things like that. The next one is this my turn, your turn waiting visual. And the way you do that, excuse me, is you showed them, okay, it's your turn, and then you can point to the your turn visual. All right, your turn, and then let them play, and then away you can say, okay, it's my turn, the green visual. And if they're still having trouble, then you can use a timer. You can practice, how long your turn is. That way they know. And that's what this waiting icon is here for. Okay, we're waiting. And then something I like to start with is okay, let's count to 5, and then it'll be your turn. And then you can slowly start increasing that number for them to wait a little bit longer. If they can already count to 5 or 10, I'd say go to the highest number that they can count to. 10, 20, it's all fine. Oh, and my doggy. Okay, thank you. The next thing, if you need more help with the your turn, my turn, go ahead and let me know, and or Miss Cassie know, and we can go ahead and kind of do like a one-on-one with you, just kind of explain it a little bit more. All right, the next thing in there is something like this. It'll be like a little name puzzle with your child's name. This is for an activity that we're going to be doing, I believe it's next week, a little assignment thing. And so, this is really good for name recognition and learning the letters of their name as well and putting it in order. So keep this. It's laminated. You can keep this for a while. So please don't lose it. We're going to use it a couple more times throughout the year just for them to practice. And then you can't see, but you guys all should know-ish what saran wrap is. This is going to be it for an activity in a couple weeks from now. We're going to be making magnifying glasses and putting like saran wrap with them. So I just gave some home to you guys. If you lose it and you have some at your house, that's great. And if you don't, we can figure something else out for you guys to use. Okay? So try not to lose some of these things because they're going to be for the assignments for the rest of the month. Also, there is the Tucker the Turtle that we talked about earlier this week with Miss Cassie when she read the story. And in our small groups, I just did it on a 1-page, recognizing feelings. And then the recognizing feelings is on this one. I didn't put every single emotion on there, but it's good for you guys to start talking with your child about their emotions and how they're feeling. And if they can't say it, you can label it for them like, oh, okay, you're feeling mad today. You're feeling mad. And you can point to it and tell them what they're feeling. And then they'll start, understanding and recognizing what their own feelings are. So, I believe that's it. Those are things you'll need for the rest of the month. We might have, just a few more things, but that'll be in like 3-4 weeks from now. So if there are, we will arrange another pickup for you guys. And if you haven't picked things up, please let us know so we can arrange things. We really want you to get this picked up by this week. Just because a lot of the materials we're going to start using them next week. And then the APE mats are going to be used for tomorrow. So if you have any questions about anything in the packets, please let us know. And we can go ahead and help you figure out either what that's for or how to use it and things like that. Alrighty. See you guys soon. Bye.